Greetings and Happy New Year's. I am Coach Lee from Farmville Park, and today I am going to demonstrate how to create your own heart-shaped Valentine's Day card. Supplies needed includes construction paper. I suggest between 3 to 5 different colors of your liking that you will use to cut out your hearts. Remember, whatever size you make your first heart, try to be consistent with the rest of the hearts, because you will want all of your hearts to be the same size to create a nice card. You would also need something to trace and draw with. I chose a Sharpie and an ink pen, a pair of scissors as well to cut places for your ribbon. For decorations, I have 2 red feathers here and 2 different stencils. And to start off, you will start off with your construction paper. As mentioned earlier, I've already pre-cut my hearts out in the perfect size, okay? So I'm going to take 1 heart, which I'm going to start decorating my cover. And here is my design with my feathers. I am going to use the stapler again to staple to the front cover of my card. Okay, there we have it. All right, next I'm going to use my stencils. And I think I'm going to use the I love you with the hearts, all right? So I'm going to trace it on that cover page. And I'm going to take the rest of my pages and we're going to put them all together. And this is where we utilize our scissors, okay? And you will take your scissors and align the holes on the edge of your heart, you see? Just make about 4 or 5 holes here. Next, you would take your string or your ribbon and you want to double tie the end knot here. Maybe loop it 3 or 4 times so that the knot is bigger than the hole that you create. After that, you want to loop your string in each layer of your heart, all right? You want to do that all the way down till you get to the end, okay? You will take the end pieces, both end pieces of your string, and tie both together, all right? Nice tight. And now you have your card. Right, 1 page, 2 page, 3. And here you will use this space to use the stencils, make more designs, or write cute love notes. And here is my cutout heart-shaped Valentine's Day card, ladies and gentlemen.